up. This is a 15-pound dumbbell. Hold it at your chest, feet very wide apart. And your toes will point out a little bit, 30, 45 degrees, something like that. Squat as deep as you can. Press your knees back towards your pinky toes, all right? Get as deep as you can, come 3/4 up. I don't want your legs to be all the way straight, all right? Down, chest is up, and lift. Okay, stay nice and low. We're gonna do 10 of these. Squeeze your butt as you stand. You'll feel this in your inner thigh. Exhale as you stand. Last one. Put the weight down. All right? So now it's going to mark for your ice skaters. So you'll take a wide step to the side, cross your trailing leg behind, touch with your opposite hand. So it's like a curtsy, all right? Same thing to the other side. Wide step, trailing leg cross behind, touch the dumbbell, all right? So that's what it looks like, nice and slow. Wide step, curtsy, curtsy. Pick up the pace. We're gonna do 20 total. So let's start here with 1. That's halfway. 16, 4 more. All right, so that gets your heart rate up. Now we're gonna move straight into burpees. I'll show you those from the side. Ready, here we go. Squat, step back, push up, step in, jump, all right? We're gonna do 10 of those. So honestly, I had to stop to take a break. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you your burpees. First, the full version, all right? I'm gonna show you from the side so you can see it. So it's a full squat, hands under your shoulders, step back, push up, step in, jump. So we're gonna do 10 of these. Well, actually, I'll show you 5 full ones. And then I'll give you 5 modified. I don't know if that was 4 or 5. I give myself 1 more for good measure. Okay, now the modified version. So, the modified version with a chair, much easier. So, what you'll do is, hands on your chair, step back, push up, step in, reach your jump, right? Full push up, reach your jump. So this is great for people who are still developing strength in their shoulders and core. And you don't have to jump, you can just reach. 1 more for good measure. Love it. Thanks guys. Now, you're not done because you need to do that several more times, right? This is a high intensity workout. Certainly take a break and grab water in between each monster set, but then maybe just a minute, and then get to a second, a third, a fourth, whatever set, all right? A good high intensity workout, twice a week or so, that's all you need. Thanks.